before we get to rounding, let's review place value. So at the top, we have four numbers, starting with 20,680, 2,680, 2,860, 2,608. So which is the biggest number of all of those?
20,680.
So he wants this one first. Everyone agree? It's the only one with 5 digits, so that kind of gives it away. It's the only one with a 10,000. Okay, somebody else holler out, which of the other three is second biggest? 2860. I couldn't hear with everyone talking, but good job. Okay, so how do we know this? Well, we have 3 left to look at. These 3. So we start with the biggest digit. They all have 2,000, so there's no tiebreaker there. So then we look at the next digit, a 600, an 800, or a 600. Would you rather have 800 bucks or 600 bucks? 800 bucks, right? 800 is bigger, so this one is bigger. Okay, 2 left. They start with 2,000, then they have 600. So far, no tiebreaker. Which one will be bigger? Yeah, we'd rather have 80 bucks than 8 bucks, right? So the 8 is bigger than the 0. That's our tiebreaker. Okay, let's do the same thing with decimals. Just because there's decimals doesn't mean it's any different. It's not scarier, it's not harder, it's exactly the same thing. When I'm looking at my place value, then a 10th is bigger than a 100th. A 100th is bigger than a 1,000, and so on, right? I would rather eat a 10th of a sheet of brownie than only a 100th of a sheet of brownie, because I like my brownie, right? So it's the same thing. So look at the first one. Is there a tiebreaker with the 10ths? No. Okay. Is there a tiebreaker with the 100ths?
No.
No. Is there a tiebreaker with the 1000s?
Yeah.
Yes. So this one is going to be bigger because 9 is bigger than 4. Everyone with me? Okay. So let's keep going. Then we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 10,000ths, 10,000ths. That one.
You should have been 491, you know, your next number.
Yeah, so these 9s are both big compared to that 2, right? So this is going to be the smallest one. It's 4th place. And of the ones that are 5, 7, 4, 9, then would we rather have a 1 or a 0 in the next thing?
Oh, actually, yeah.
If it helps you, you could always write an extra digit here so they have the same amount. But that doesn't really matter. It's just as I am moving this way, 5, 7, 4, 9, 1, or 5, 7, 4, 9, 0, the 1 is going to be bigger. So that's the 2nd place, that's the 3rd place, right? Everyone with me on this page? Okay, now we can talk about rounding. So I will again say that was one good recording.